Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to tell you what our top most popular pies are at Christmas time. We have 6 pie shops in the Metro Detroit area. This is our 26th year in business. So I'm going to talk about our top 12 most popular pies. We broke it down into our 2 categories, fruit pies and cream pies. So I'll start with the cream pies. So our #1 best-selling cream pie at Christmas is French Silk. That is luscious, full of pure butter. #2, chocolate cream. #3 is my favorite, the cannoli pie. That has the almonds and mini chocolate chips blended into our pastry cream with a little cream cheese blended in as well. 4 is lemon meringue. #5 best-selling cream pie is banana cream. #6 is coconut cream. So did I name one of your favorite cream pies? Let me know in the comments below. If I missed it, let me know that as well in the comments below. What is your favorite cream pie? So this winter, I'm going to be teaching an online pastry cream class. So in this class, you'll learn how to make pastry cream where you can then make coconut cream, chocolate cream, or any of our basic cream pies with this recipe. Subscribe to this channel and I'll let you know when that class is ready to be launched. Okay, so on to fruit pies. You can probably already guess what our #1 best-selling fruit pie is at Christmas and all through the whole year. It's our signature pie, our Michigan 4-berry, and that pie has cherries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And most of the time we just sprinkle it with our crumb top, but sometimes we put a double crust, so the plain crust on top. So our second best-selling fruit pie for Christmas is our Dutch apple pie. #3 is our double crust apple pie. The same fruit pie, but with a different topping, same as the 4-berry. #4 is pumpkin. Our pumpkin is so delicious and then it rolls back around at Christmas. Everybody loves our pumpkin pie. #5 is cherry. #6 is pecan. So did I list one of your favorite fruit pies? Let me know in the comments below if I missed your favorite. So if you haven't already, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.